Welcome back to the deep dive. Today you're really getting into it, dissecting what looks like a perfect holiday scam. We're looking at the Kringle Heaven Garland website. Based on the sources you send us, the ads are really something else. They're calling it a luxury decoration, trusted all over the world, promises this magical holiday glow. And the discounts, up to 70% off. They're selling this a supposedly high-end garland for like $15.99.
Right. And that price point combined with the holiday timing, it's classic emotional bait, really. Catches you when you're looking for that festive bargain. Okay, let's unpack this based on the source material. Our mission here is to figure out if this is a real deal or, just another online shopping trap targeting festive shoppers. It looks like a common playbook.
Definitely. And the first sort of immediate thing that jumps out from the sources is the site's background, or lack thereof. Despite claiming global trust, the site itself was only set up in October 2025. It's brand new.
Exactly. Barely a month old. And what's fascinating, really, is how fast these temporary setups appear. There's just zero corporate transparency. The ownership details are hidden. You can't find a physical address, no phone number, nothing. No verifiable company history to back up these big claims. They're basically ghosts designed to vanish.
Right. And then there's the product itself and the reviews they're pushing. They talk about hundreds of verified 5-star reviews. But when you look at them, according to the sources, they just feel off. Really repetitive, kind of generic.
Yeah.
Clearly fake.
Oh, absolutely. That's pure product fraud layered on top of the identity fraud. It's a shell game to create fake social proof. Make you think, oh, lots of people love this. And the photos they use, that's maybe the biggest piece of deception here.
Yeah, the sources mentioned those. They look so professional, so
yeah.
Lux.
They do. But they're either AI-generated fakes or, more likely, just stolen. Lifted straight from listings on sites like AliExpress or Temu, where you can find the exact same plastic garland for, like, $2 or $3.
Wow. So they're selling you a picture, basically, a fantasy.
Precisely. You're baited with an image of something they have absolutely no intention of actually sending you. Or at least not the quality shown.
And that matches up with what the sources say about customer experiences with, similar scam sites. People either get absolutely nothing, their order just disappears, or if something does arrive, it's like cheap, flimsy plastic junk that looks nothing like those glossy ad photos.
Correct. And if you try to complain or get your money back, that's where the final part of the scam really locks in, the return policy. It looks like they have one. A 14-day window seems standard enough. But first, they hit you with up to a 30% cancellation or restocking fee just for trying to return it.
Seriously, 30%.
Yep. And then, the real kicker, you, the customer, have to pay to ship the item all the way back to China. This is even though they often imply they're a US or maybe a UK brand on the site.
That's not a return policy. That's just making it impossible.
It's absolutely a deterrent strategy. It's designed to make the return process so expensive and such a hassle that you just, give up. And connecting this to the bigger picture from the sources, the people who do jump through those hoops, they almost never actually get a refund anyway. The check never arrives.
Okay, so that really sums up the playbook, doesn't it?
It does. It's classic drop shipping scam tactics identified in the sources. You've got the emotional marketing, the fake urgency like limited stock, those unbelievable discounts, fake reviews, all leading to them sending you, if anything, a super low quality item drop shipped from overseas for pennies.
So the key takeaway for you, the listener, seems clear. These sites appear lightning fast, especially around holidays. They aim to cash in quickly, and then poof, they disappear the moment the complaints pile up. So what does this mean when you see that amazing holiday deal online?
It means you really need to, stay festive, but stay smart. Always, always try to verify the company. Look for those red flags we talked about, the hidden details, the too good to be true discounts paired with those impossible return rules. Right.
Verify before you buy.
Definitely. And here's something to maybe mull over, thinking ahead. We saw how they use stolen or, maybe basic AI photos this year. But as AI image generation gets way more sophisticated, how much harder will it be next year or the year after for you to tell if a product image is real or completely fabricated before you hit that buy button? That's the next challenge, I think.